Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other styles and goodies they have to offer. Today we're going to have coming from LUDOS Clamor. Oh, Clamor Kick. We got some, ooh, nice. Check out this packaging. Nice little carry bag, satchel bag. Oh boy, this is really nice. Great for your jogs. If you're in-home gym, zone out the kids. You don't have to hear them all day during these crazy times. Comes with nice replacement buds. I got my iPod charging. I believe you could use it for iPods and tablets, PCs, Androids, and all that good stuff. Nice cord. Really strong. Great material. Kind of look like the KGC, I think it is called. Got the bullet. So you guys can see it. There's the right side. And let's see what else. I'm going to show all one video because I got a lot of colors to show you guys today. Volume. And look at this. They even have this covered. That's really cool. Never seen that before. Covered like that. So that's good protection right there. Coming from LUDOS. LUDOS right there. Check them out. Now we're going to get into this one. Oh, actually we got another color right here. Oh, that's nice yellow. Like a bumblebee. Let me clean this up a little second. But definitely if you see these you like, all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. Pick your color and they'll ship it to you really fast. So might as well stack up now. Listen to some audiobooks. Watch some movies. Look at that yellow. Really nice. And again, comes with the replacement buds. So that's really nifty. Always good to have extra. Can't take that off right now. Got these gloves on, but we all see how long it is. Pretty long too. And again with the protection on the tip for the connection. I'm going to give my iPod a few minutes to charge up. And then we'll listen to these, see how they sound. Nice looking though. Great cord, like I said. Put that one on the side. I think this is the same thing in here. Yep. Yeah, these are the colors they have to offer. So I'll show you each one. And I'll just listen to one of these headsets. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Bubble wrap. Okay. Guys, we got here, I think it's like the gold version. Clamor, LUDOS. Ooh, nice. Oh, bronze, I would say maybe. Probably the bronzer. Really cool. Nice little travel pouch. Take it on a plane with you. Do not drive with it. Pay attention on the road. There we go. And again, like I said, I don't need to take this out of it because we are just going to show these and I'll listen to one. They all sound the same. They're all the same kind with this kind of tip. Oh man, my nose is itchy. So there's the bullets. Really nice. I'm going to check to make sure these are think waterproof. If not, the link down below will tell you. Cool little sticker. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, definitely check the link down below to make sure that they might be like waterproof, IP66 or something like that. Sweat proof. So got these again. This is a blue. Take a look at this. Nice color right here. Right up there. And just give them a follow. If there is any social media links, I'll have them listed down below also. So, ooh, look at that. It's really nice. Got the tips. Yeah, I'm going to give it a few more minutes on my iPod. By the time I get these all unboxed, it should be charged enough to listen to for a minute. But here's a green. Happy St. Patty's Day to everybody. Even though in the situation we're in, hopefully everyone's staying safe and secured. Just definitely take it easy, you know? Enjoy your few weeks off. Everybody deserves a break now and then, so definitely enjoy it. Spend time with your family or do some chores around the house, clean up a little. Listen to some music. Use these headphones to get through the time. Like I said, it'd be great for audiobooks, stuff like that. Prime Music, I'll leave the link down below. You get 30 days free. Amazon Prime Music, you get Audible books 2 free a month. I'll leave those links down below, which will come in very handy in these times. So, like I said, this is the green. Really cool. And now we have another one. I'm going to sound like DJ Khaled. Another one. LUDOS Clamor. Boom, boom, boom. Coke Cabana. Boom, boom, boom. I get the black out, so I'll use the black ones and the test them out. That's over there. So we got this red. Or maybe, yeah, it's on red. Definitely red. And again, here we go with the replacement buds. And what else we have here, guys? Boom. Look at that cord. I want to try to cut it, but it's pretty strong. So, kiddies, you can have fun with these. Just be careful with them. There we go. Now we have here another bag, I do believe. Oh yeah, Amazon Prime time. See, we got the hook. Kind of like the Nike swoosh or the Newport swoosh. Amazon Prime, like I said. All you gotta do, click the link down below and choose your color. And like I said, take a peek and see what other goodies they might have to offer. You guys will not be disappointed. Great service, great people at this LUDOS. You guys won't be disappointed. So these will be definitely great stocking stuffers. And like I said, buy yourself a couple. Okay. Got next up, we got another one. Oops. We got the purple, the Barney color, kind of like these gloves, but it's more dark purple, kind of like Lakers. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's kind of like these gloves. They match. Hey, take a look at that. Matching. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Losing my voice. It's been a long day. We got the buds again. Now, see? It's a little deeper dark purple. Kind of like Prince or Laker purple. And we got the plastic tip. Got the nice covers there. Yep, they're already on. You might want to sterilize it just in case if you're really picky like that, you just might want to wipe it down with some, water or soap, or just give it a good wipe down. Okay, guys, we're almost done. It's a pretty long video today. Claymore, baby. We get the Claymore kick. I can't open this one. Oh boy. Might be these gloves. The other ones were. There we go. Hop goes the weasel. Oops, backwards. LUDOS. Now we got the Amazon Prime Orange. Amazon Orange. So all you Amazon workers, this will be perfect. Working in the warehouse. You guys be safe in there. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect for Halloween season. You can talk to the wife while walking the kids. Got a nice, oh look at the cord though. Nicely made. Perfect, guys. You guys will not be disappointed with these at all. Like I said, give me a few more minutes. Once I got 4 left to shoot.
I don't know that one.
Oh. She's already talking, Alexa. But now we have here LUDOS. It's like platinum. Bling bling. And we got here. What do we got here? Blackish silver, 2 color. Really cool. Got the tip covered. Got these guys. So I think these are like under 21 bucks or so. Or under 30 bucks. But don't quote me on the price. Like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below. Click it one time. And choose your color. Oh, we got another LUDOS silver Claymore. This time, oh, it's white actually. White and silver. Got the white case. We got the white replacement. We have the white cord with the silver bullet. I cannot wait to listen to this. But yeah, I should have had my phone charged a little bit longer today, but had a few things to take care of. And now we have here LUDOS Clamor, the pink version. All you ladies out there, this might be a perfect one, or any dudes that like it. Got a bad color, kind of like the Pink Panther. And we got here, or like a baby girl type thing. Birth. There we go, really nice. And then now we have here the final color, I do believe. Got the purple. Oh, we already got this one. Huh. Alright. Purple. There you go. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to grab the iPod, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers. We are back again. We got the iPod. Got it on YouTube. And I wiped these down. Actually, I'm going to grab one of those replacements. Should be really easy to swap out. See, this is what they look like when you take these off. And let me grab one of these buds. This bud's for you. And do a little swap and jam out. Sorry for the long video, but really cool people on Amazon. Definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides these. But you can still listen to your audiobooks, your music, and just relax. Like I said, everybody needs a break, especially after this whole year. Look at just take a few hours extra of sleep, which we all need, and just relax. Eat some food, watch some movies, like the good old days. We can still play video games, so. And we got good old YouTube. And we got Amazon, so everything's good. Little trouble. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Sometimes that happens. Putting on these things. See, kind of like these. Kind of looks like. Oop, I didn't put it on right. Kind of looks like a microphone. Alright, hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers. We got them on. A little struggle, but pretty easy. Just gotta have a little patience and just fit it in the groove. So I'm gonna put these headphones on. So hopefully I don't talk too loud over them. But I already got some little good old pack. I'm gonna listen to some hip hop. So, but I like Rage Against the Machine, Metallica, a few others, and make sure you always take off that little guy. Alright, here we go. Put it in. Alright. Something with really good bass from Pac. That'll be done in about 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Here we go. Ooh. Holy moly, guys. These sound amazing. Really, really amazing, guys. I'm not lying. I wouldn't lie to you guys, but clear sound, great bass. Yeah, I listened to full blast and felt like I was in a concert, like the good old days, you know? The good old days. But definitely you'll be satisfied with these headphones coming from LUDOS Clamor. So, like I said, click the link down below. Check them out. Pick any color you see on the table. You know, there's iPod. Got that. So it's a pretty long cord, I would say. Good enough. Tuck it underneath your shirt. Go on the bus, relax. Really cool. So like I said, many colors to choose from. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe out there. Hopefully see you guys back more tomorrow. If not, see you guys soon and stay safe.